Implementing BOA into all the invoicing and getting all the boys on board with the software, like the app that they've got is great. It's straightforward. Scan the barcodes, fill in a couple of things, and it all basically prints it out for you. Doesn't matter how many boys you got, they're all on the app. We kind of utilise a whole lot of it. The job card side of it for other clients, and the My Assets, where we've got all the machine lists in there. So all you got to do is click on them, put what hose you're putting in it, where you're putting it down, and then that keeps a record basically of your machinery. And the job cards, yeah, nice and simple. Basically prints off an invoice for you. So all you got to do is put it into the system and bill it out from there. Managing stock with the trailer it's too easy. Basically every time you book out a hose, you scan it, throws it in your cart. When you feel like you're getting low with that stock, you can just order it all at once, or you can order it as you go. It's fully up to you. You can do it in bulk, or if you need a few extras, you just jump on the app, scan the barcode, and you're good to go. Pick it up the next day, or it gets delivered.